Hello, this brief video is about how to get rid of dog spy odor. Um, After a few years ago, after moving in a new home, I realized that the pets of the previous owner had left their odors all over around the house. So I tried almost everything to get rid of this odor, such as scrubbing the floor with pine salt, bleach, lime, and other recommended cleaners. I even removed old pads and carpets, replacing them with new ones. However, no matter what I did, the odor still lingered. I was starting to get very sick from the smell. I knew if I didn't do something about this fast, I could get sicker or even develop terrible clustered headaches from the stress. So I decided to do some more intensive research, and that's when a friend of mine told me that I have to take the usual professional approach. I asked him, what was the professional approach. So of course he told me, and out of desperation, I decided to take his advice, and to my surprise, it worked like magic. It worked. So my advice to you, if you don't want to waste time, money, or go through the stress like I did, just click on the link below and follow those exact steps.